Need to allow CapCut to access photos on iPhone? Then it's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. So once you have installed the application CapCut, and if you haven't opened yet, then simply tap and open the application CapCut. Click on Agree and Continue. Once you're in this page, head over to Edit at the bottom left corner of the screen. Once you're in this page, click on New Video at the very top of the screen. It will automatically show Allow Full Access. You have to click on it. And there you go, you have allowed access to your gallery. Now from here, you can select any of the photo or the video for the edit. Well, if that option doesn't appear on your screen, then you need to head over to the settings of a device. Once you're inside the settings, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the screen and then head over to Applications or Apps. In this page, search for the application CapCut and click on it. Head over to Photos at the top of the screen. Once you're inside Photos, you need to select Full Access. After that, you have allowed access on your gallery or camera for CapCut. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.